Welcome to Information 247, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we've compiled a list of the top 10 large luxury SUVs of 2023. These vehicles represent the pinnacle of comfort, performance, and style, so let's dive right in. Number 10. Lincoln Navigator. Last, but certainly not least, the Lincoln Navigator takes the 10th spot. This SUV offers a serene and comfortable ride, a lavish interior, and the latest Lincoln Co-Pilot 360 technology. Number 9. Cadillac Escalade. Penultimate on our list is the Cadillac Escalade. Redesigned for 2023, it features a striking new look and a tech-packed interior. It's an American icon in the luxury SUV world. Number 8. BMW X7. Our 8th pick is the BMW X7. It's the largest SUV in BMW's lineup and offers a blend of sportiness and opulence. The spacious cabin and cutting-edge technology make it a standout choice. Number 7. Lexus LX. Coming in at number 7 is the Lexus LX. Known for its legendary reliability, the LX also offers a luxurious interior and impressive off-road capabilities. Number 6. Porsche Cayenne. In the 6th position, we have the Porsche Cayenne. This SUV is a driver S-Dream, with sporty handling and a range of powerful engines. It's not just an SUV, it's a Porsche. Number 5. Audi Q7. Moving on to the Audi Q7, our 5th pick. Audi's flagship SUV offers a blend of elegance and technology. Its Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional handling in all conditions. Number 4. Bentley Bentayga. At number 4, we have the Bentley Bentayga. It combines British craftsmanship with impressive performance. The luxurious cabin and a variety of customization options make it stand out in the crowd. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz GLS Class. In the 3rd spot, the Mercedes-Benz GLS Class. This SUV sets the standard for advanced technology and spacious interiors. With the latest MBUX infotainment system and a range of powertrains, it's a top contender in this segment. Number 2. Range Rover Autobiography. Next up, we have the Range Rover Autobiography. Known for its off-road prowess and luxurious cabin, it's the perfect blend of ruggedness and refinement. Plus, it comes with a range of powerful engine options. Number 1. Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Kicking off our list is the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This opulent SUV boasts a handcrafted interior, a powerful V12 engine, and unparalleled ride quality. It's a true status symbol on wheels. There you have it, folks, our top 10 large luxury SUVs of 2023. These vehicles redefine opulence, blending performance, comfort, and technology in ways that truly set them apart. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Information 247.